You're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to wrap your hair. So my natural hair, I flat ironed it so it's straight, and I want to make it straight for a while. So I'm going to just wrap it every night so it can maintain the straightness and also not frizz up really quick. So what we're gonna need, one of these brush. um, then we're going to need like a stocking cap, one of these head ties, and that's it. Oh, maybe if you have a tail comb, you can use that too. So I'm gonna just go ahead and part my hair. I like side part, so yeah, I like side parts like that. You see my hair, you kind of look weird. Kind of look like my hair is breaking out, but it's not. Yeah, it's not breaking off. But yeah. Oh, let me show you. So you see how it looks? It looks frizzy right now and stuff. But I like it like this kind of, because when I did it earlier, it was like too straight. It was like bone straight. So it felt like super thin. Let me show you how the back look. So this is how it looks. And then let me show you how it looks up in one. So ponytail. Hey, the ponytail is okay, you know. But let me go ahead and show you guys how to wrap your hair, like a real quick. This is like very simple. So I just part it like to the side, like right here, and then I just comb everything down. Everything down. And then after you comb everything down, you get everything flat. When you take your brush, you want to put this hand like this, like flat kind of. You want to make it flat. So yeah, you want to put this hand right here so it's flat, and then you want to just come like that, you know. Take this around, and then you're gonna just do like that. Okay. And that's how simple it is to wrap your hair. Very simple. And you can go ahead and put your oil in. So I have this Cantu guava and ginger oil, and I put some MSM powder in it. So I'm gonna just put some in my hair, not a lot though. Just gonna put a little bit. See, this part is coming out. So you just wanna just so that's how that is looking. So you see, you get your hair perfectly wrapped. Look at the back, like wrapped all the way around, and it's flat. So that's how the top's supposed to look, you know. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look. Give me a second. Okay, so this is how your hair looks when it's wrapped. Looks really good, right? But it's not gonna stick like that. So what I do is I take one of these wig caps, and I just make sure I just flip over it like that. you know, so it will make it stay flat. Just hold on. Okay, so this will ensure that it stays flat. And then after I finish doing that, I just take my night thing, my scarf, and then I just tie it so it's secured. It's not gonna go anywhere. So pretty simple, right? And that's how it's supposed to look. You see, the tops like secured, everywhere is secure. There's nothing left out. There's no leave out, nothing. And it's gonna look so good once I remove this and like comb it out. It's gonna get back really straight. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if this is how you wrap your hair, if you have a different style of wrapping it, or you do a different method when you finish wrapping it, if you use the wig cap or not. I prefer using the wig cap because it just made the hair flat. Because if I just use a scarf, like I could sleep. You know how I sleep like really bad sometimes, and I don't want to get up in the morning and it's like this is off and everything. But with this on, the wig cap on, if this is off, the wig cap's gonna be on. Okay, so oh guys, we're at 4K subscribers, so thank you guys. I'm going to tell you guys what the giveaway is. I think I'm gonna do a wig. And then I'm going to do a wig. Okay, so I'm gonna do a wig for the I'm gonna put it like at the screen right here and tell you guys which way you guys are going to get. So if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video. Also comment down below and write hashtag or at I am just Georgia K. Make sure you do that, and also go ahead and follow me on TikTok at I am just Georgia K. And those are the only thing you have to do. Very simple, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys are participating. Comment down below, like the video, share the video to a friend. Thank you guys. Bye guys.